Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Ambiente Hatch, stock reference number 5493. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a PMDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo, non-turbo petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PMDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder non-turbo petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard has no damage, right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack head unit, control panel, display cluster, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.